G'day guys, Kaz Mac here, just the average guitarist. Today I'm going to see if I can make my MXR Sugar Drive sound like the blues channel on my Mesa Boogie Express Plus. So I'm just going to use the clean channel and put the Sugar Drive on and then see if that can sound like the blues channel on the Boogie. Now I've got the blues channel on 5 watts, I've got the master up full bore, and the gain is on maybe at 9 o'clock. And the EQ is level. I've got reverb about the same on both. On the clean channel I have the reverb level, I have the master at 9 o'clock and the gain at say 11. I'll give you some samples of what that sounds like to start off. For this I will be using my Eastman SB59 V, I think it is. So that's, well, with the drive on, hang on, I'll just turn it off. So that's the clean channel of the Boogie, which is pretty loud in here, and the drive channel sounds like this. And the idea is to get the clean channel to sound like that. So I'll put it back in the clean channel and put the drive on. Go back for reference. This is the blues channel on the Boogie again. Go back to the clean channel with the Sugar Drive. The blues channel again on the Boogie. So I reckon they sound pretty close. The blues channel just has a bit more warmth because the drive's coming from the vowels, but you know what, if you were playing with a whole, jamming with your mates, it'll be really, really hard to tell the difference. So there you go. Anyway, let me know what you think. I reckon it's pretty close. So signing off from Kaz Mac. Take it easy, guys.